everyone! In this video, I will be explaining what hydrophobic substance is. We will be going over what hydrophobic and hydrophilic mean, why certain substances are hydrophobic, why certain substances are hydrophilic, and what this means if the substances are put in a beaker of water. I'll start off by introducing what hydrophilic means. Hydrophilic means that the molecule is soluble in water and will bond with water well. Here I have a glass of water and some salt. I'm going to pour the salt in and stir it. What you will observe is that the salt dissolves into the water. Why did this happen? Both water and salt compounds are polar molecules. Water and salt both have positive and negative charges on different sides of the molecule, which makes them ionic. When the salt dissolves, the ionic bonds between the sodium and the chloride are broken by the water because water has a stronger covalent bond. Opposite charges attract. The positively charged water molecules are attracted to the negatively charged chloride molecules, and the negatively charged water molecules are attracted to the positively charged sodium molecules. On the other hand, we have a hydrophobic substance. Hydrophobic means water-fearing. If mixed with water, the substance is not soluble and will not bond with water well. Again, I have a glass of water, but instead of salt, I have oil. Watch what happens when I mix these two substances. I'll give it a little stir. So I hope you can see it, but as you can see in the cup, there are bubbles of oil that are clumping together. Why did this happen? Water is held together by polar hydrogen bonds. Oil is non-polar and they have an even charge across the entire molecule. Oil molecules are only attracted to other oil molecules, and so they do not bond with water. And that is my presentation. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you took some good information from this video. Bye.